Okay, exercise 2.5, problem 5, division 1. Let's read the problem. How many consecutive terms starting from the first term of the series 3 plus 9 plus 27 would sum to 1092? So let's mark this problem. First term, okay, they have not told us GP, but if you look at it, 3, 9, 27. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27. So it's a GP, okay. That's a quick way of looking at it. So A is 3 and R T2 is 9, and the sum of all the, let's say there are 20 terms or n terms, so sum Sn equal to 1092, and we are asked to calculate how many terms are there. Okay, so A equal to 3, that is T1 equal to 3, T2 equal to 9, and Sn equal to 1092. We are asked to calculate number of the terms, that is n, right? So what's the formula for number of terms? There is no direct formula here, but there is a formula for Sn. So let's write the formula for Sn. Okay. So normally we'll have to write the formula for whatever is given here, asked here. If not, write formulas for whatever is given here. You will be able to get the value, right? So Sn is given by A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. But here Sn is known 1092, A is known 3, R is known, R is not, which needs to be calculated, and n is also not known. N is the one which we need to calculate. So this formula is of no use as of now. So you have to first thing calculate R. But what is R? R is T2 by T1. T2 is 9, T1 is 3. So 9 divided by 3, R equal to 3. So once you know the value of R, you can go back here, and in this equation you will have only one unknown, that is n, so which means that can be calculated. So let's write the steps. Calculate the common ratio. Substitute the value of AR and the value of Sn in the formula Sn equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Okay, it's a mistake here. This is green because we know Sn, that is 1092, and n should be red. That's the one which we don't know. Okay, so in this only one unknown is there. You can simplify and get the value of n. Okay, so please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and look into our solution. Okay, if okay, come back and solution, let's see that later. Okay, fine. What's the solution? Calculate R equal to T2 by T1, that is 9 by 3, which means R equal to 1. The formula for Sn is Sn equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. Substitute all this value. Sn is 1092, it's given here. 1092 into A is 3, into 3 A to the power of, R to the power of n, R is again 3. So it's 3 to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Okay, so 1092. Okay, or this, simplify this. So 3 minus 1, this will become 2. So 2 will go to the other side. So 3 into 3 to the power of n minus 1 will be equal to 1092 into 2. 1092 2 is 2184, and this 3 goes to this side. So 3 to the power of n minus 1 will be 2184 by 3. That gets you 728. So 3 to the power of n will be 728 plus 1, that is 729. Now we have 3 to the power of n, so you have to convert this 729 into an exponent with a base of 3. 729 is 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of n is 3 to the power of 6. Two exponents are equal, their bases are equal, then their powers also will be equal. So n will be equal to 6. Thus there are 6 terms in the series to get you the sum of 1092. Okay, so I hope you got this problem worked correctly. If not, please check where you have gone wrong and make suitable correction. If you have not understood the concept, please go back to the discussion part of the video and review it. Thanks for watching.